Hello and welcome back to the channel. This video, we are going to be touring a 3-bedroom. It is a back-to-back townhouse. It's located in the Kedron area of Oshawa. So it's north, it's at Harmony, just south of the 407. So it's that new up-and-coming area. It's a brand new house. It's never been lived in. It's actually for sale for the builder. For sale by the builder. So what that means for you is you have full Tarion warranty. So you'll have your initial form, which is submitted after 30 days. You'll have your mid-year form, which is for your 6-month, and then you'll have your 1-year, 2-year, and then major structural. So obviously you get different coverages based on the item that you're trying to claim under warranty, but you do have full new home warranty through Tarion. So I want to just take you through this. It's a 3-bedroom located in the north area of Oshawa and Kedron. And let's just get into it. First, I'll thank Reina. She let me do the tour of this home. And so yeah, I just definitely want to thank her for that. And hopefully this helps sell the place. If you are interested in touring it, you can call me. I'd be more than happy to take you through here. But she is the actual listing agent that has allowed me to do this tour for you. So be sure to let me know what you think. My name is Brad Gates, and I have been licensed for 10 years now. So yeah, I've helped quite a bit of people move to the Durham region. I absolutely love it. So if you want that help, all you have to do is just call, text, email, whatever is easiest. So just to start out here really quick, so there will be grass. So you do get grass, you do get driveway. So they do all of that for you. So you don't have to worry about it. This is the actual garage to the unit. It's a single car garage. You can open it. I might as well do that now. And yeah, so you get the one hose bib. So if you're going to water your grass, you can. And you can fit a car in here easily. It gives you a plug here at the back. And there's a door to get into the house. So you are able to do that. Let's go through. So you'll have these patio slabs to kind of walk to the actual unit. Okay, so let's go in. Okay, so you walk right in. You have the garage door right in front of you there. You do have a closet, so if you're going to hang jackets and things, and then you have the furnace room here. So we'll tour each item. So that's the closet here. That's the garage. We've already viewed it, so we don't have to go in, but I will re-show. There you go. And then this here is the furnace room. So you have a 100 amp panel. Everything is labeled for you here. So if you move in and you need to turn power off or something, you have it labeled in terms of how to do that. You have an HRV unit, which heat recovery ventilator. And that just freshens the air throughout the unit. So it's really good. It's mandatory in all new homes. You have a tankless hot water system. So the pro of the tankless one is you'll never run out of hot water. So if you have a lot of people who like to shower, you'll be good. Endless supply of hot water. And last but not least, the furnace. There is an air conditioner, which is on the patio that we will check out. But yeah, there is an air conditioner. It's a Lennox furnace. Most important thing you want to pay attention to here is the actual furnace filter itself, because you want to change it, keep it fresh, because that's the #1 reason why furnaces fail early, is people do not change that. So just kind of go back. You'll have some telecommunication wires. So you'll have the Cat 5 and then the Rogers cable, and it's roughed in. That's the furnace on-off switch. So you're not going to want to touch that. Only use it if it was an emergency. Sometimes when the summer comes, people click it to off and they wonder why their air conditioner doesn't work, because if the furnace isn't on, the air conditioner will not work. And then we're just going to go through here. Hello again. Thanks for tuning in. If you're liking the video, like it, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Appreciate it. This here is like the main floor. It's like a sitting area. It could be an office. They have this set up as an office here. You get big windows, which is always nice for the brightness and the natural light. And then we'll go upstairs. So this unit has about $20,000 worth of upgrades that has been done. First, you'll notice the laminate flooring, and then yeah, so it's kind of like the view of everything when you first come up the stairs. Again, huge windows and yeah, good ceiling height. You have the 9-foot ceiling. The kitchen cabinets, they have the extended uppers over there. So they're a little bit higher than your standard. Okay, so it's the powder room. So you just have the sink and then the toilet on this one. And then this here's the laundry room. So appliances, they don't provide them, but they give you a certificate to go and get them. So you just have to arrange delivery yourself, but you do get that certificate for the appliances. This would be the laundry room. So you have the washer and dryer kind of set up, so it would be a stackable. For those who don't know, I actually live in a Minto house myself. So it's my second Minto house. The first one was in North Oshawa, and then the second one now is in Whitby. From 2017 to 2000, well, now it's been 2 Minto homes, and I'm currently there, and I've been happy so far. So that's the cutout for the fridge. You have all of the kitchen cabinetry as well. Tons of storage. And then, yeah, the lights kind of go on and off. It's the sink, and then that there would be the dishwasher. And then we will have it where it's been set up as like the dining table there, and then a large sitting area here. You could put TV and stuff. You can tell they have the Rogers outlet there along with the Cat 6. So when you're having Bell or Rogers installed, you let them know that and they'll give you your best options. So again, this is the main floor. Super bright. Yeah. One thing, so this is a POTL townhome. So that stands for a parcel of Thailand. The maintenance fee or the POTL fee that they have is in and around like $100, maybe 110. Could be a little bit more. I would say that in the listing. But, and that just covers like the road maintenance and garbage pickup of the enclave that this kind of sits in. So that's what a POTL is. And then go back here. So you have this big deck. So that's the air conditioner there. So yeah, it's a new furnace and new air conditioner, everything brand new. That's the benefit of buying new. One tip is if your air conditioner is not working in the summer, this is always something you're going to want to check, because sometimes that is actually flipped to off. So that's could be the culprit in terms of your air conditioner not working. Okay. That's the stairs. Let's go up to the bedrooms. It's gonna pop up. Carpeted stairs, and then it's carpet at the top here as well. So this is the one bathroom. It's a 4-piece, so you have your sink, toilet, and then your tub counts as 2 because you have a bathtub at the bottom, and then you have a shower at the top there. Linen closet. Never complain about a linen closet. They're really good to have because it's just all this extra storage. And then here's the 3 bedrooms. So we have the first bedroom, which would also be considered the primary. Big window, you have a closet. And then you got a bathroom there as well. It's kind of like the bedroom. It's a queen size bed here, so it's a decent sized bedroom. Again, brand new, never lived in. And you have another 4-piece. So you have the tub and shower. That counts as 1. And then the toilet and the sink. Another little tip is if your bathroom plugs do not work, they're usually connected all to one GFCI, which is like a ground fault circuit interrupter. So if any moisture or anything gets into one of the plugs, it actually trips all of them. So you got to go reset the one that actually has it, which is usually the powder room. So yeah, and this is bedroom number 2. Again, lots of windows. Because it's a corner unit, you do get the side windows, which is nice. And then you have a closet. Each room has to have a smoke detector, and then each level has to have one, which is a 2-in-1 carbon monoxide smoke detector. Just so you kind of know with that. They're all interconnected, so if one goes off, they will all go off. And then, so this would be the final bedroom. You have the attic hatch there. And then, yeah, you have closet, window. This is kind of the view. Let me know what you think of the unit. I hope you're enjoying the tour. Hopefully it's useful and hopefully you're learning stuff. I try and show the home, but then also explain things so that when you have your own house, you kind of understand things a little bit more. Yeah, so again, this is the house. Well, that was the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, be sure to comment on the video if you have questions, share it with your friends if you, if you got value out of it. Hopefully it's going to help you some one way or another. If you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. So many people watch these videos and they don't subscribe. And it's the easiest, freest way to just show that you enjoy the videos that I put out there. My name is Brad Gates and I've been licensed in real estate for 10 years now. I've helped a lot of people who have moved to the Durham region and absolutely love it. And so if you want that help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. So I hope you enjoy the video, and until next time.